What's going on, guys? My name's Sheldon, and it feels so good to be back on YouTube. My sister was up for a few minutes. I've been up all night because there's some weird stuff been happening around the house, guys. Like, I'm not, oh dude, I just swallowed a hair. Like, I'm not even joking, just to get, like, likes or nothing like that crap. Literally, my friend, like, they live over in that house over there, my sister and her boyfriend. So they come over here to get, like, food and crap to take up back up there and eat. And that's, like, not for last, they freaking hear someone talking back in this hill, like, that way. That way. I don't know what you guys think that way, but that way. There's this guy keeps texting my sister, dude. Like, my little sister, he's like, hold on. He's like, my heart goes for you, dear. You be the one. Bruh. Anyway, not for that. When he sat here talking back in the hills, that night, he heard that 2, right? 2 o'clock in the morning. I stayed up until 5, right? At 4, I heard someone knocking like this. On the back of the freaking house. There we go. That took me a while. On the back of the house. And it scared the crap out of me, but I just sat there in bed and just like, oh dude, it's just the cat trying to get up from the roof. Then I remembered my cat had kittens. I named the Oreo and the Tiger, because one of them looks like an Oreo and the other one looks like a Tiger. But Coco was in her cage with the kittens. How did she get out of the cage to get up on the roof? Anyway, so, that morning I went outside, checked on the cage. The cage was locked. She was there. I was like, what the heck, dude? Like, how did the cat get out and get on the roof if the cat... I'm confused. Like, bruh, what? But, anyway, I was like, bruh. Then, my cat was locked up this morning. I stayed up all night. It's like 7:42. I heard that same knocking on the back of the house. I thought, bruh. Like, I'm freaking scared, man. Like, is there someone trying to break into my house? Like, bruh, what should I do? But what I'm thinking about is, like, putting up cameras and freaking crap like that on that corner of the house. I shall show you the point of... Alright, guys, I'm barefooted. I said footing. Barefooted. And, going back to my mom's bedroom. Because I have to sleep there because my bed's broken down. Yeah. Here's my kitties I was talking about. Kitties. See, kitties. Oreo and Tiger. But anyway. See that up there? That's Coco, right? She comes this way, up this tree here. You jumps over on the roof. No. I hear the knocking right here. There. But if she's up there, how does the knocking happen down here? Oi? And back through there is where that talking was happening. But it happens late at night for some odd reason. Yeah. But yeah. Ay! Oh! Ay! Dude, I stepped on a stick and went up my toe. Alright guys, I'm back in my house. But I've been trying to make YouTube videos on my sister's laptop. My sister just went back to sleep. So I kinda stole her tablet from her hands while she was asleep. But anyway, so yeah, it feels good to be back on YouTube. I love all you guys that subscribe to me. Like, I thought I would just have like 5 subscribers. Like, I never thought I'll make it to like at least 20. Like, I'm super surprised. Like, I can't talk anymore. But make sure you hit that freaking subscribe button if you haven't already. Make sure you hit that like button if you haven't already. Make sure you put a comment below about what number's in that freaking case. It could be maybe 14. Could be maybe 12. Could even freaking be 1. I mean, that's not the numbers I'm giving you guys, but I'm just giving you a hint. It's 1 to 100. And if you guys don't post that comment, whatever numbers below in the next 5 days, I guess I'm keeping the game, man. Because there's 3 games in 1 case. Yes. 3 games, 1 case. Because it's American edition of Assassin's Creed. It's got Black Flag, multiplayer Black Flag, and it's got Assassin's Creed 2. Okay? 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 Alright, I hope you guys freaking hit that like button, freaking hit the subscribe button, and maha!